Hi, Christina. So I got your email and I wanted to explain how to do a difference quotient with this problem that you asked. So the formula for difference quotient is always f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Now f of x plus h, this first part, this is our f of x. So that means look at your original function, and wherever there's an x, you're going to put in x plus h, okay? So I'm going to write out this original function, and wherever there's an x, I'm going to put a set of parentheses. So see how I just wrote this original thing, but I put parentheses wherever their x was, and now I'm going to put in x plus h. Okay, so that's f of x plus h. Now we have minus an f of x. Now, to subtract the whole thing, I need to put the original in parentheses so that I remember to distribute that negative. And that's all over h. So now our job is to simplify this. Now the first thing we're kind of going to do off to the side is this x plus h squared. Now x plus h squared is x plus h times x plus h. So we'll FOIL this. So the first terms give us x squared, outside terms give us xh, the inside terms give us hx, or that's the same thing as xh, and the last terms h times h is h squared. So these two terms we can combine like terms and say x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. So that's what we're going to plug in for right here. So we'll have 6 times x squared plus 2x h plus h squared. And I'll just write out what we have. Okay, now we need to distribute something. So the 6 is going to distribute to everything in this first set of parentheses. So we'll have 6x squared plus, and then 6 times 2xh will be 12xh plus 6 times the h squared. Then we'll distribute this positive 8, so plus 8x plus 8h. And we just have this plus 5. And then this is like a negative 1 that we're distributing to these three terms. So minus 6x squared minus 8x minus 5 all over h. Now we're going to simplify this top, the numerator. And so we want to look at where we have things that are the same but opposite signs. So this 6x squared and this minus 6x squared, those cancel each other out. Those add to 0. This 8x and this minus 8x cancel each other out. And this 5 and this negative 5 cancel each other out. So one kind of hint, every term that doesn't have an h in it, if you've done everything correctly, should cancel out. So I have 12xh plus 6h squared plus 8h all over h. Okay, so since there's an h in every term in the numerator, we can factor out an h. So we'll pull out an h. So we pull it from 12xh, we'll have 12x. From this 6h squared, that'll just be 6h. And from the 8h, if we pull out the h, we've got 8 all over h. And then your last step will always be to cancel these h's. So our difference quotient, our final answer is 12x plus 6h. Oops, I forgot the plus. 12x plus 6h plus 8.